Hello everyone, take a circular piece of dough and then poke a hole through it right through the middle. Begin to widen this hole using your fingers and then afterwards begin to flatten the bottom ends of it as such. Push it outward as well and then take the top of it and flatten that as well. Now take a fork and then make these markings all throughout. After you've made them all throughout, move on to the upper portion of it and then continue to do the same. After you've gone in an entire circular-like shape, take a knife and then make slits on all of the bottom ends of it. Using your fingers, make a sharpened edge out of each of the slits that you have created. Now, using a pair of scissors, begin to make slits out of the top as well. Join the top together as such all throughout. Now take circular pieces of dough and then make sure that they are flattened. Using a comb, make these marks at the top and the bottom and then slice them into half. Place them one on top of the other. Insert a seed on top of it and then begin to roll this around the seed. Now push outward the edges and then add it one on top of the other. Next, take these green cylindrical pieces of dough and then fold them over in the middle as such. Join it together using these chopsticks and then spread it out. Now, taking the end of it, roll it upwards and then join it back together. Make the ends of it sharpened as such. After you have joined it together, now use a knife in order to make these markings on either side of it. Do this for all 4 of the pieces that are present. Now, make these holes on the horizontal patches that are present as well. Once again, do this all throughout. Now, take a pink and white piece of dough and then wrap the white dough around the circular pink dough. Now, taking a pair of scissors, begin to make multiple slits on this piece of dough as such. Now begin to make it in layers as well, and then as you proceed more and more towards the bottom center, make it smaller and smaller as you proceed as such. The bottom, or rather the first layer, should be the largest layer. Now once you are done, this is what it should look like. Now place this on top of the green portion. Next, take a cylindrical piece of dough, about 5 of them, and then afterwards make multiple cuts all throughout them as such. After this, join them together, press it together vertically so that they become more compact. Now, after this, press them all together as such. It should look like a little bit of maize. Now, sharpen one end of it, take another ovular flattened piece of dough, make multiple lines on the bottom of it as such. Make a slit in the middle of this and add it on either end of the initial piece of maize you've created. Next, start off by taking a pink ball of dough. Now, wrap it around with a white ball of dough. Using a pair of scissors, begin to make multiple slits on the base of it as such. Now, make layers of this and then make it smaller and smaller as you proceed to the bottom center. Continue to do so, and then, once you're done with it, it should look like a flower, one of the flowers as shown. Afterwards, set it down and spread out the top ever so slightly. Next, take a cylindrical piece of white dough, flatten one portion of it out, add a slit in the middle, roll it upwards as such, and then afterwards fold it and press it down using this pair of chopsticks. Join it together at the tip and then afterwards make multiple slices at the top portion of it. Do not go all the way, however. Now make one slice longitudinally and then make a heart shape out of it, join it at the bottom on either end. Next, take this rectangular piece of dough, roll it out and then afterwards make a slit in the middle. Roll it upwards as such and then roll it from either end to make it meet in the middle. Press it down using a pair of chopsticks and join it more together. Now, make these markings in the middle and on either side of it. Press it together using a pair of chopsticks once again, and after this, add a red center to it. Now, add a red piece in the middle of all of it as well. That is all the slices present. Join each of them together. Thank you for watching.